Hello guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Yeah, iPhone 14 leaks have revealed a smartphone which is already splitting opinion, due to a potential price increase and divisive design change. Now we know more about the latter, and it might upset even the biggest of Apple fans. Following multiple leaks that revealed iPhone 14 Pro models will drop the notch in favor of a surprisingly large eye-shaped cutout in their display, and this will shock a lot of experts because it strongly suggests that, under the surface, iPhone 14 Pro models are actually not changing at all. So it tweets, mysterious leaker Shrimp Apple Pro, who sourced the original eye cutout way back in September, explains that 5.631mm aligns with the camera opening inside the notch of the iPhone 13 Pro. This exposes the biggest trick and risk in the iPhone 14 Pro design. It wasn't any smaller from the iPhone 13. 13 sensor holes are just hidden in the notch. Apple will reportedly release 4 models in September: the 6.1 inches iPhone 14, the 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max, the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro, and the 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pro models are likely to have a new 48MP main camera and a titanium alloy body. The entire series may feature thinner camera bumps and iPhone 4-inspired circular volume buttons and will probably be fueled by the rumored A16 Bionic chip. Yes, the notch may be gone from Pro models this year as Apple looks to modernize the iPhone design after almost 5 years, but this new information reveals that it is a superficial upgrade. Apple hasn't been able to shrink the components of Face ID, infrared camera, dot projector, and flood illuminator, or the front-facing camera. It has simply cut away the notch to show the display around these sensors. We need to confirm this is accurate, who should be in a good position to know after breaking the news of the eye-shaped design in September, 4 months earlier than other established industry insiders. Some will dismiss it as one-off while Apple works on the holy grail of a full-screen design with under-display cameras, but this argument is flawed. Apple doesn't change designs often. The notch has been unchanged since the iPhone X in 2017 and, before it, the iPhone 6 design also lasted 4 generations. As such, this new eyesore may well be around until 2026, and there are signs this is Apple's plan. While the standard iPhone 14 and new iPhone 14 Max will retain the notch, leaks reveal they will adopt it in 2023, which is not a move Apple would make if this was a transitory design. This is a big gamble for Apple and, despite the obvious eye-marketing opportunities of the cutout, it could prove a hard sell, particularly in trying to lure those coming from Android phones, which have smaller cutouts and are already experimenting with under-display sensors. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought on this new move from Apple in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.